Welcome back to Learn Malay with Aaron. In our last lesson, you learned 4 essential Malay pronouns for talking about people. If you haven't seen that video yet, the link is at the top right of the screen. Today, we're going to learn 2 more important words, kita and kami. Both of these words mean we, but they're used in different situations. All right, let's start with kita. Kita means we, but with one important difference. It includes the person you're speaking to. So you can think of it as saying you and I together. For example, the word pergi means go. So if I said kita pergi, it means we are going, or let's go. And because I want you to go with me, I use the word kita. Another example, the word kawan means friend. So if I say kita kawan, it means we are friends. Again, you're part of the conversation and I want you to be in it. I want you to be my friend. So the right word to use is kita.
So basically, kita is meant to feel more inclusive. It's not just talking about a person. It's actively including them in the conversation.
That's right, Sarah. When you hear kita, you can usually take it as a sign that you're being included in the group or the activity. Now let's look at kami. As I mentioned at the beginning, kami also means we, but this time the person you're speaking to is not included. In other words, kami is exclusive. For example, if you asked me where my family is from, I could say, kami dari Australia. We are from Australia. In this case, we means my family, so it naturally doesn't include you.
So even though you're talking to me, since I'm not part of that group, you'd use kami to show that the topic only applies to you and your group, right? Like when I ask where your family is from.
Exactly. You use kami when something is exclusive to you and your group, and the other person is not part of it. So again, kita is inclusive, while kami is exclusive. In the next lesson, we'll learn how Malaysians say hello and goodbye, and when to use each expression naturally in everyday conversations. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Until next time.